Embark on a journey towards exceptional oral care with the Oral-B iO Series 10 rechargeable electric toothbrush, a testament to advanced technology and meticulous design. This isn't just a toothbrush, it's your partner in maintaining a radiant smile and safeguarding your gums. The Oral-B iO Series 10 is not merely an upgrade, but a leap forward in oral hygiene solutions. According to the manufacturer, this innovative tool provides 100% more plaque removal in just 1 week compared to a manual toothbrush, and an astounding 4 times more along the gum line. Imagine the confidence that comes with knowing your teeth are truly clean. But what sets the Oral-B iO Series 10 apart is its dedication to providing a personalized cleaning experience. The dentist-inspired round brush head removes surface stains, ensuring whiter teeth from day one. The iOSense technology offers real-time coverage, time, and pressure guidance directly via the charger, eliminating the need to open the Oral-B app. This means a superior clean compared to a regular manual toothbrush, tailored just for you. Convenience is at the heart of this electric toothbrush. With the charging travel case and the 3H fast charger, brushing on the go has never been easier. The display always tracks your battery level, ensuring you're never caught off guard. Whether you're a frequent traveler or simply lead a busy life, this travel-friendly electric toothbrush is perfect for keeping up with your hectic schedule. The Oral-B iO Series 10 also prioritizes gum protection. The pressure sensor signals if you brush too hard, too soft, or just right, ensuring an effective and safe clean. This feature guarantees a safe brushing experience, giving you peace of mind as you maintain your oral health. Switching to Oral-B electric toothbrushes is risk-free. The manufacturer offers a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it out without worry. If you're not satisfied, simply return it for a full refund. Real users have shared their experiences. One customer, who has been using Oral-B products for years and has sensitive teeth and areas of gum recession, found the iO Series 10 to be the best electric toothbrush they've ever used. They appreciate the feedback from the app, which has helped them improve their brushing technique and maintain excellent oral health. Another user, who initially faced issues with connectivity and the travel case, later resolved these problems and now considers the product worth its price due to its quality and effectiveness. To get the most out of your Oral-B iO Series 10 rechargeable electric toothbrush, be sure to read the instructions carefully and rinse the handle and toothbrush head as directed. This will help you avoid any issues with buildup or malfunction. Join the ranks of satisfied users and elevate your oral care routine with the Oral-B iO Series 10 rechargeable electric toothbrush. Experience the difference a superior clean can make and embrace a brighter, healthier smile today.